few of them around, or
Huh?
do you want to see a few of them? Like,
Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely.
in a series, so you can do an actual run instead of just one trick and stopping.
I'd be talking to the council, like getting a plaza together that's built for skating.
Okay.
Like, do you have more mates that are doing this type of thing?
No, it's just me at the moment.
Oh, okay.
But I should get a group together.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, like, there's that big industrial place down near South Yarra.
Yeah.
And they're not really doing much with that. So, and there's like that whole slum ghetto area near South Kensington.
Oh yeah. There's not much happening there.
Yeah, no, like there's that big like concrete huge expanse. They've got a few gaps and shit there, but if you turn that into a plaza, that would be insane.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a roll now.
Yeah, go for it.
Gotcha.
Cheers.